Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is November 28th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's minimize this. Let's maximize this, and resize up. What did I just do? Let's maximize this and resize that. There we go. All right, Russell. The Russell is still green, and the Russell made it across a yearly R1. The Russell looked like it might want to break that high that I have marked up there, and I'll come next month. This is the end of the month. We got a green quarter right now. We're looking very bullish at this time, and we look like come next month we will be breaking all-time highs. That's all I can say right here, right now. But let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart, and you'll see a little bit more what I'm seeing. You know, based on this is the end of the month. The Russell has turned green for the month also. It turned green for the month, turned green for the month. Come next month, I expect it to break all-time highs. The Russell is going to finish on a high this year, and all. That's kind of crazy for the Russell. We have to kind of like just wait and see. As you can see back here on previous years, the Russell usually can give you a pretty good sell-off and all at the end of the year. But come this year, come next month, I really don't expect that this year. But I got my marker up here to see if it can break that. If it can break that, yes, we're off to the races. So we got to kind of like wait and see. The Russell is looking very bullish. That's a very good bullish tail there. Ended up green for the end of the month, and we are still above the 9-10 moving average. So we are looking very bullish right now on the Russell. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, let me zoom in a little bit here. This is where I was saying last week. I said we had a doji down here at the bottom. It was in a high demand level, right here, where this market that came out of here pretty strong. It kind of had this green on green bullish engulfing back here on a weekly, and then did nothing but kind of go up. This is the area though right here at this point. I was also looking at this point right here where I said the Russell shouldn't close below here, and it did. That was the scary thing, but it pushed back up and formed a doji, and then this week it was kind of like, okay, what is it going to do here? Will this? Then we were looking at this demand level. When I say this demand level, we were looking at this demand level back over here. Will this hold? And it did hold. You know, it went deep in there, and then we did get a pretty good green candle here on the way up. And now it looks like the Russell can make all-time highs come next month. We will be opening up the month. These are monthly pivots. We will be opening up the month above pivot. So again, I do expect it to be going higher. How much higher? Again, high enough to probably make all-time highs. That's up there at 255. It will break my level that I say, okay, can you break this level? If you break this level, yes, I'm ready to start trading you again. I should have been trading it this week, but I didn't. I traded my Qs. I'm more comfortable trading the Qs. So, but that's that. That's all I can see here. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. Boom. Daily noise. Zoom, 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 zoom. Here. Again, this was let me zoom on in here. Again, we can see the high there, even if it stays in the picture or not. It's above the picture. This is what we had last week at the end of the week on Friday. This was a big sign here. This right here. These two candles here. Those two candles there gave us a bullish Harami in the right location. Right away on Monday, we got a confirmation candle, and this market did nothing but follow through on a holiday week. Analyze your holiday weeks and see what the market tends to do, and this will help you, give you the confidence to trade the market based on what you are seeing happening in the market. Not what you think, not what you feel, not what you want to believe, but what you see. And that's it. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving and all. and I will chat with you next week. Have a good one. Bye. Right Side Trader here. Later.